Hello guys, welcome to Medicophili and we are back with a new video, and this video was totally based on the real clinical case scenarios that you might have probably witnessed in many movies. So let's proceed with the video. This sense is taken from a movie called Pa. Here is a 13 years old boy experiencing the condition called Progeria. And in reality, this is a 9 years old kid from North India with progeria who is normal at birth but eventually developed a clinical manifestations of progeria. Progeria generally caused due to the point mutation in LMNA gene that encodes for protein lamin A that takes part in building nuclear envelope of cells. Common clinical manifestations are baldness, enlarged cranium, wrinkled and tiny face, bulged eyes, muscular dystrophy and progressive cardiovascular diseases. Treatment. In reality, there is no definite treatment for progeria. However, it can be managed by constant observation of heart and cardiovascular vessels. This sense is from a South Indian movie called Raja Rani, where a woman develops a tonic-clonic seizure after exposure to her husband's rude behavior. Tonic-clonic seizure, also called as grand mal seizure. It was due to the depression, sadness, anger, hyperanxiety. Characters of this seizure are swallowing heavily, jerky movements of face, arms, legs, biting of tongue, and generalized stiffening of body. It lasts about 1 to 3 minutes. We can manage this type of seizure with carbamazepine and phenytoin. No need to worry, stay relaxed, spend some time with patient after the end of the seizure. Number 3. This sense is taken from a movie called I, where the main lead consults his doctor after developing the clinical manifestations like kyphosis, osteoporosis and muscular atrophy after being injected by an eye virus by his enemy. H4N2 influenza, caused by eye virus that can only be transmitted by injection. It is a kind of avian influenza. In 2012, researchers isolated an H4N2 virus in quails which showed a higher preference for mammalian sialic acid receptors. This is the movie sense, where a girl tells her grandfather that he has to stop getting anger every now and then to prevent his face from getting wrinkled. During angry, stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline are released from the adrenal gland. High amount of cortisol can break down the skin collagen and elastin and forms wrinkles. This sense is taken from a movie called Gajini, whereas the main lead in this movie develops anterograde amnesia after a traumatic brain injury. Since this anterograde amnesia restricts him from making fresh memories, he will tackle himself by taking pictures and making notes in order to preserve his memories for an incident. Anterograde amnesia is a condition in which a person is unable to create new memories after an amnesia-induced incident, also due to drug use, traumatic brain injury, chronic alcoholism, brain injury, stroke and brain surgery. Treatment. Occupational therapy has been an utmost choice for many of the amnesia patients. Technological aids will help them in better tackle their condition. There is no proper medication for amnesia. Since many of the patients with amnesia are thiamine deficient, thiamine supplementation is prescribed. Hope you have learned something from this video. Please subscribe to Medicophili and stay tuned. Thank you.